You know the feeling. At the start of each month, you're determined to save, but somehow, when you reach the end, that savings goal just isn't there. Bills, unexpected expenses, and all the little things add up. So, what if there was a way to save consistently without feeling deprived? Today, we're diving into proven strategies that make saving possible every month, regardless of income or lifestyle. Welcome to Monethic. Today's question is all about finding practical, monthly saving strategies that don't just look good on paper, but actually work in real life. We'll cover methods like tracking your expenses, setting realistic goals, and even automating savings so that it practically happens on autopilot. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to save smarter every month. Let's get started. To be honest, for many of us, saving feels like an impossible task. There are always more expenses than we anticipate, and by the time the month ends, our wallets are lighter than we planned. The real challenge here isn't just about budgeting. It's about making sustainable choices and finding a balance between enjoying life and building a future. So, how do we make saving realistic, something that we can actually stick to every month rather than just a one-time resolution? The first step to getting serious about saving is understanding where your money goes. This means tracking every expense, big or small, for at least a month. Most of us underestimate our spending, especially on the little things like coffee runs, takeout meals, or quick online purchases. But by writing these down or using a tracking app, you'll have a clearer picture. You might be surprised to find a pattern. A few dollars spent daily on coffee can add up to hundreds over the year. Knowing where each dollar goes is the foundation of effective saving. Once you know where your money is going, the next step is to separate needs from wants. Essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries fall under needs. However, dining out, that premium subscription, or the latest gadgets are usually wants. By prioritizing the essentials and carefully considering your discretionary expenses, you'll see where there's room to save. It's not about cutting out everything enjoyable. It's about understanding what's necessary and what can be moderated to meet your financial goals. Now that you've got your expenses in check, it's time to set a realistic monthly savings goal. Start with a number that feels achievable. For example, if you aim to save $200 a month, break that down, you're saving about $50 a week. You can make small adjustments like bringing lunch to work or cutting back on weekend splurges to reach this goal. Achievable, incremental goals build confidence and make the habit stick. Plus, each month you'll feel the satisfaction of hitting a milestone, which motivates you to keep going. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular, straightforward guideline for managing your income. Here's how it works. You allocate 50% of your income to needs, like housing, food, and utilities, 30% to wants like entertainment or dining out, and 20% to savings. This structure provides balance. You're still enjoying your earnings while making sure you're saving consistently. The beauty of this rule is its flexibility. If you want to save more, you can adjust the wants category. But even sticking to this basic guideline can make a big difference over time. One of the easiest ways to save without thinking about it is to automate the process. Set up an automatic transfer that moves a portion of your income into a separate savings account as soon as you're paid. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach makes saving feel almost effortless. You won't even have the chance to spend that money because it's already tucked away. Automation removes the temptation to skip a month and ensures that saving is a consistent part of your routine. Saving money is all about making smart, consistent choices that add up over time. By tracking your spending, focusing on essentials, setting realistic goals, using the 50-30-20 rule, and automating your savings, you're building a solid foundation for financial security. These steps may seem small, but together they create lasting habits that bring you closer to financial freedom month after month. If today's tips have given you some clarity on how to save effectively, be sure to hit subscribe and join us here at Monethic. We dive into essential financial strategies every week, so you're always equipped to make the best money choices. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your biggest saving challenge? We'd love to hear from you and answer any questions.